Hi. Hi, dear little buddies. How are you all? I'm back with another story. This is your Rory telling you Rory's stories. Roar. Today's story is about an ant and a pigeon. They had a lovely relationship. Are we all very excited about knowing what happened to them both? Let's get into the story. Here we go. Once upon a time, in a small village, lived an ant and a pigeon. The ant was so naughty. Though he was tiny, he was very exploring. He wanted to go everywhere. He wanted to play around everywhere. One day, as he was next to the banks of the river, he was playing, and little did he know that he would slip. And he slipped into the river. Ants are not good at swimming. Do you know that, little buddies? So he was struggling to stay on top of the water. He realized that he would sink in the water soon. So he was shouting out for help in his own ant language. And just on top of the water was a branch from a tree on which a little pigeon was perched on. This pigeon was perching on that branch and was just sitting, and he noticed the little ant struggling on the water to stay alive. The little pigeon plucked a leaf and threw it into the river next to the ant. The ant realized that he had to hold on to the leaf, and then he climbed on the leaf and he started floating on the leaf. The wind blew the leaf back to the banks of the river. The ant climbed onto the banks from the leaf and went straight to the pigeon, and he said, "Pigeon, pigeon, please come down. You have done me a great help today. You have helped me. I was drowning in the water, but then you plucked a leaf and you put it next to me, and I knew that you did it so that I could save my life. I'm so thankful to you. I hope I would be of some help to you sometime. Thank you, friend," he said to the pigeon, and the ant left and the pigeon flew away. After a day or two, as the ant was there on the banks, he realized that he saw a hunter, a very bad hunter who had a big rifle, and this rifle was loaded, and he was taking aim at something. The ant just looked at the place where the hunter was aiming at, and to his surprise, the ant's surprise, he realized that it was his pigeon friend that the hunter was aiming at. The ant immediately started running towards this man, and he climbed on his shoes onto his legs, and then he gave the man's leg a very strong bite. It was like a sting. Immediately the man got distracted. Who's this man? The hunter, dear little friends. The hunter got distracted and he dusted off the ant from his leg. And in this process, the hunter lost his target. And in between this, the pigeon flew away. The hunter was very mad about missing his target because of the ant. The ant was then pushed away and the ant slowly walked away. And within few minutes, the pigeon came back flying to the ant. And the pigeon said, Ant, you are so small, yet you could save my life from the hunter? How is it that you did this? I'm surprised. Because you bit the hunter's leg, the hunter missed his aim. Otherwise, he would have killed me with his bullet. And I thank you for saving my life. To which the ant said, "Remember, pigeon, you had saved my life once while I was drowning. You picked a leaf and you dropped it into the river and you saved my life. And today, I am so privileged to return that help back to you. And I thought it was only right for me to do what I did." So both of them thankfully looked at each other, and then the ant climbed on the pigeon and had a lovely pigeon ride as the pigeon flew away here and there, taking the ant on a very nice trip on his back. Friends, what do we learn from today's story? Today's story clearly tells us that true friendship will prevail. Yes, true friendship prevails. We need to be always helpful. Today's moral is be helpful to anybody and everybody possible, because this is what we are made for. Dear little buddies, I hope you loved the story of the ant and the pigeon. It's a very strange relationship though, but we have learned that when we help somebody, this help will always take us and take things along with us a long way in our friendship. Let us all do our best in wanting to help others. Help your mom, help your father, help your grandparents, help your friends, and be a person who can always be of help to somebody all the time. Dear little buddies, if you like this video and you'd like to subscribe to my video, you need to click here. Don't forget here. And if you want to see my latest story that I have shared with you, you need to click here. Yes? Okay, this is your Rory signing off for today from Rory's Stories.